In this video, we will learn about how to learn English with 3 easy tips. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So the first step is get familiar. Have you ever realized that how did you learn your own mother tongue? Did you open up any grammar or dictionary to learn the language you're speaking as a mother tongue? No, you didn't. So what was that? That was the environment you were living in. You were watching movies, people in your surrounding were talking into that language 24 hours. You were watching movies, listening to the songs, cartoons, daily soaps, all kind of shows. You were involved in that kind of activities where there was language which is your mother tongue. So because of that, you can speak it fluently. So environment is the first thing. So now how to create the environment? Now we can't go to any foreign countries just to learn the language. Yeah, maybe it depends upon your financial situation. If you want, so you can go, but most of the people can't. So now how to create the environment? So here's the tip. Watch movies. 2 to 3 hours movies it depends upon the time that you have available with subtitles. Because at the very beginning, it's quite tough to understand the accent, which is quite different from your accent that you speak. So use the subtitles. In a movie, there's a whole lot of society out there. They talk about all kind of issues: family, relationship, education, institution, politics, war, love, affairs. And these are the things we discuss in our daily lives. So you become the part of their society. That creates an environment around you. Listen to the song, sing them. When you sing an English song, you must check out its lyrics. So put the lyrics in front of you and start singing. And read the magazine, at least half of the page every single day. Learn 4 to 5 new words. So that's how you can increase your vocabulary. Use these 5 words that you learn into the sentences, make sentences out of it, so you can learn them or remember them for a long period of time. Second tip, grammar. Here, if you want to put the words into the sequence, most of us are facing the only problem, which is creating sentences. And here, grammar plays its role. So you have to learn tenses first of all, because whatever we talk about, whether it is about past, present, or future, these are the only 3 times we are discussed about. We share our experiences, our plans, and our situations, times we are going through, and a presentation for company or for an organization. We discuss about our plans that we're going to act upon in the future, and the experiences, things we have learned from. That's what we discuss there. Past, present, and future. It's called tenses. We learn them. In this, we'll learn where to put which word, how to create a whole sentence. The moment you have words, then all you just have to learn is tenses. So you can make sentences out of it. Now you know how to make sentences. You don't worry about tenses. In upcoming videos, we will cover all kind of things which will make your English fluent and efficient. Third one, start speaking. Most of us are afraid to make mistakes, but that's important. Making a mistake is the first step. You have to speak, and you are afraid because you think you don't know. For sure you don't know, but until you will not start speaking, you can't learn English. So you have to start speaking. If you are afraid or hesitant to speak it with other people, go in front of the mirror and start speaking to your own self. Start talking to your own self. Start interviewing your own self. So that's how you learn it. Start having the conversation on WhatsApp and Facebook. Find other people, other communities. There are a lot of people who want to learn English just like you. Join the groups, and any other friend who want to learn English, they will be. Just start talking, having conversations with them. So that's how you can make your English efficient and fluent. So now I'll sum up the whole thing. First thing is, get familiar. Watch the movies, read the magazines, listen to the songs. That's why in this channel I have uploaded all kind of English speech and debate videos that you can check out. After that, grammar. Now I will cover all the materials related to grammar, and I will upload the videos very soon. Third one, start speaking. So don't get hesitant. We have our own WhatsApp group. I will share the link in the description below so you can join that group there. So keep learning. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button and share with your friends. My Professor Notes, signing off.